Mar an ceobránach a bhí anna mar an nába don chiad chluthe idir mar lá an gleanmhaile an bhrúnig ó Loch Garman agus Breifig ó chúnta bhío. Bhí champíní na bliana sé chaite Breifig chun cíán tús agus iad a glóra an tríomh créamh as a chéile. Chail an gleanmhaile an bhrúnig in rig sa chluthe canis a chu rísne a bhéon slíocha chóchtint ar an láidir Breifig agus iad na champíní rísne bliana siad go cúig an scór deirig. Tugann an cluthe cór deisiúntaach do gacha an níos immert na chéile, agus an gleanmhaile an bhrúnig bhí dhá fáide de máthracha agus iníonacha ag immert le chéile in bliana. Ímar agus Alicia Reddy agus Katrina agus Aaron Walsh.
Well, me personally, I've been playing for about 35 years. Started when I was about 9. I went down to the local pitch and there was a local woman from Barntown down there, May Doyle, who was training the young person people, and ever since I've been hooked.
Mum's been playing for that length, so I kind of grew up at Rounders and I've been at the pitch with her most of the time. And yeah, so when I hit the age of 18, I joined.
This is probably my 5th, 6th, maybe 7th All-Ireland final. Alicia's 3rd maybe?
3 or 4 maybe, yeah.
So yeah, we are extremely proud, and no matter what the colour is of the medal, it's great to have an All-Ireland medal.
I love it because she's my best friend, like not even just in Rounders but in my personal life, like she's my best friend and it's just absolutely phenomenal to get to play with her on the pitch.
The great thing about Rounders is that, yeah, of all ages can compete and can take part in it, and everybody's ability is different. And that's the great thing about it. It's a thought process that goes into the game as well. So you don't have to be the best batter or the best fielder, but everything along together combines to making a great team. So I say go for it and get involved. This was a special moment. To be able to play with my daughter was really, really important to me.
It's different, like it's something no one else can really say. Like Rounders just allows us to do that. Amazing achievement to be able to even get like to hear alone, but never sharing with your mother as well. It is a special bond.
Today I have a dual role and I had to kind of step aside this morning and hand over the reins as National Secretary. So normally I would be Tournament Director for the likes of this, but I've handed over to my Assistant Secretary Shirley Lennon, who's doing a fantastic job. So today I'm here as a player, first and foremost with Breifig Ladies and Breifig Mixed, and I'm also here as Senior Men's Manager. As National Secretary, I've seen hands-on the growth of Rounders over the last number of years, but I suppose as a role in National Secretary this year, I've seen an increase in all areas across Ireland of Rounders clubs, and of all affiliations of GAA clubs, we have the highest number this year, with a total of 73 GAA Rounders clubs affiliated, and that's across all 4 provinces. So we've seen a huge increase, and we just want to try and build on those numbers and bring more and more clubs on board.
Bhí cluthe congrachán sa cluthe canis bascathe leis an tíníl ó bhlá clia a gcuine a Breifig a bhí ag lorg an tarna craibh ar an lá. Bhí an tíníl a fiochan cúmpórdach a tháinig a ríist Breifig an a láidir ar fad agus iad a bochtant an chiad craibh bascathe chuideag a dóiag.
Tough game. We started off a bit slower than what we'd like. I thought we had enough momentum to shift on, push on to take the lead when we did. I thought we'd build a bit more for runs and batting wise, but we weren't able. We got unlucky coming into the last inning, and Breifig just played well, bowled well, batted well. Rightful winners.
5 years ago, we only had 4 teams in our senior men's tournaments. Today, we currently have 8 men's teams, and we also have intermediate and a junior category. 5 years ago, we only had seniors across the board for men's, ladies and mixed. We now have 3 divisions in each of those codes.
A couple years ago now, a couple friends got together for coming from softball background and wanted to try to give rounders a go and step into the GAA world. We won the Junior All-Ireland mixed final last weekend. We had made it to the final last year but fell just a touch short, but I think we came into it this time with a new bit of motivation to get the job done. I'm not from a GAA background whatsoever. I'm coming from Philadelphia in the States, so I would have known about hurling and football, but never really would have heard of rounders. So I think it was really good to get people in from all over the world. It really is an international club that's coming to play rounders together.
Leis an réanach tacht treis lóin bhí an Breifig is súil an tríoch réib a thuairt leo ar an láb, ach bhí olar an héarna bóla leo. Bhí muintear nach bháin chun cín ón tús, agus leis an taithí atá có bódar a séoch réib diaag, sédiaag an nair.
5 years ago we had only 21 clubs. Today we're currently at 73. It's one of the fastest growing GA codes.
3 amazing championships in the junior, the intermediate and the senior championships. And we've had a huge thriving juvenile section this year again. It's just to keep building on, especially those juvenile numbers year on year, and the more interest we have, the better it is for the association.